Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Sorkar jala hadu mentah kampat Shimra Eiei hakabaidei berki Samla Kiba Pule hakajala Manipur. Kawadan mentah hapadeng kejengan ajai bendil. Menteri Ketanak Pule Putih ke Sorkar jala rakam sangma. Hakajengan keram iklap thai kubuar hakshipautulik naitung arja apulai. Pulai tu bak Sorkar jala ka ap khuilinti tat hadu bak syongsuk syongsan kanwan pai biang hakajala Manipur.
We have nothing has been decided. We are waiting for the situation in Manipur to come down, but I think it's not happening. It is just something to be. I think something has to be examined and decided at the interest of our students, because the situation is not improving in Manipur. It looks like, but I would be my bottom of my heart would like to request those friends in Manipur. I think peace is the need of the hour, because life is more on priority for any community, for anybody. So I think if the peace can be prepared at the state, would have been the happiest people. You have taken any decision, because they also, I think, if I'm not wrong, the institutions, they are having classes. Some classes are online. If I have been told, the university and institutions from Manipur and many of the students are having the classes online. But let's wait and see what things to be done in the future. As a state government, we should find out the way to address the problem for the interest of our students.